Bigo mang maiuwi ang 5th Miss Universe crown, marami pa rin ipinagbubunyi ang Pinoy pageant fans, kabilang ang muling pagbabalik sa top 5 ng Pilipinas. At marami rin ang napahanga ng ating pambato na si Maria Atisa Manalo sa kanyang third runner-up finish. Balik naman sa Mexico ang Miss Universe crown, pero bago manalo ang kanilang pambato, sinalubong siya ng kontrobersya. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
Manindigan at maging totoo sa sarili ang highlight ng naging sagot ni Miss Universe Mexico Fatima Bosch sa final Q&A na paano niya gagamitin ang kanyang plataforma para mang-empower ng mga batang babae.
Miss Universe is Mexico!
Ang sagot na yan ng 25-year-old beauty queen nagdala sa kanya sa 74th crown ng Miss Universe. Pero bago pa man ang coronation night kanina, nagpakita na ng strong personality si Fatima na hinangaan ng marami. Sa sashing ceremony ng pageant, nagkatensyon nang i-call out ni Miss Universe Thailand National Director Nawat Itzaragrisil ang pambato ng Mexico dahil hindi umano ito naka-attend ng sponsor shoot. Habang nagpapaliwanag si Fatima, pinutol siya ni Nawat at tinawag umanong dumb.
Security.
May ilang beauty queen na sumunod kay Fatima.
Stop.
Gayon din ang nooy reigning Miss Universe na si Victoria Telvig ng Denmark. Sa post ng Filipino pageant media member na si Adam Henato, ikinuwento ni Bosch na hindi wasto ang naging pagtrato sa kanya.
You know that as a country, you have all my respect. I truly love Thailand. I respect all of you. I think that you're amazing people. But what just your director did is not respectful. He called me dumb because he had problems with the organization. And I think that's not fair because I'm here and I do everything okay. I don't mess with anyone. I just try to be kind. I'm trying to give my best. And he just shot me and he just said to me and shut up and a lot of different things. And I think that the world needs to see this because we are empowered women and this is a platform for our voice. And no one can shut our voice and no one will do that to me.
Sa isang live stream naman, humingi ng sorry si Nawat saan niya'y misunderstanding sa pageant. Kinausap daw niya ang nasa 70 pang kandidata at humingi ng tawad. Sabi naman ng Miss Universe Organization, prioridad nila ang respect, safety, and integrity ng lahat ng participants, staff, at stakeholders.
That everyone at home, every woman, doesn't matter if you have a big dream, if you have a crown, if that's take away your dignity, you need to go. Thank you.
Itinanghal namang first runner-up si Miss Thailand, Pravinar Singh. Second runner-up si Miss Venezuela, Stephanie Abasali. Third runner-up ang pambato ng Pilipinas na si Maria Atisa Manalo. At fourth runner-up si Olivia Yase ng Cote d'Ivoire. Ang Pinoy pageant fans, hati ang naging opinyon sa resulta ng coronation. Pero ang ipinagmamalaki ng marami, ang all-out na performance ni Atisa. Sa preliminaries pa lang, inislay na ni Atisa ang swimsuit competition, national costume, at evening gown. Wala nang araw know when to peak energy dahil hanggang coronation nagbigay ng magandang laban si Atisa. Ito na ang huling pageant na sasalihan ni Atisa na sinimulan ang kanyang pageant journey noong 10 years old pa lang siya. Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.